I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at RealMoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV. Today, let's look at U.S. Steel, Whole Foods, and American Electric Power. Okay, U.S. Steel. Yesterday, Mike Murphy was on talking about U.S. Steel. He thinks this can go a lot higher than it is right now. Just from a technical perspective, I got to agree with him. Here we're looking at the steel index. The whole index is oversold, bouncing back a little bit, so we'll go back to U.S. Steel. Look, it's pretty simple. This stock can get up to about 25 bucks or so before encountering serious resistance. About 22 is a lower level of resistance. I'd go ahead and buy now. Keep a stop just below this last low here at around 1850 or so. I think you're going to make some money. Now, Joe Terranova likes Whole Foods Market. Looking at that stock, this has been in a sideways consolidation for a while. You can see it's running along the 50-day moving average. That's a nice thing to have happen, particularly since the 50-day moving average is trending higher. We look at the weekly chart, and we see a pretty nice multi-year trend. So what's not to like? You know what? The only thing I don't like about it is it's not quite at support. I wish this puppy were down around 86 bucks or so and I'd pile in. But even now at 90, I would suggest taking a starter position. If the stock pulls back, then take more of a significant position. And ultimately, I think this is going to test 100 bucks and it's going to pass that test and move higher. And last but not least, Cramer was talking to the CEO of American Electric Power last night. He likes that company. He likes the stock. I like the 4.9% yield on this stock. Everybody's talking about utility stocks these days. Look, this thing broke out of a sideways consolidation, a base that was about, 3 months in duration on heavy volume. Look at the weekly chart. And the weekly chart shows a nice uptrend as well, just a little bit above the 40-week or 200-day moving average. But if you're patient, you're going to make money on this stock again. It's just floating higher lows. After this consolidation here, now it's got a higher high. I would take some now on any kind of pullback to around 38.50 or so. That's when I'd load the boat. Okay, that's it for today. Look, you need to get over to realmoney.com and subscribe. Every week I publish a few articles. They're called Fitzbits with at least 5 charts in each article. That's a lot of trades for you, baby, and it's all for one low price where you get me, you get Cramer, you got Dougie Cash, you got RevShark, Helene Meisler, all the biggies, okay? So you need to get over there and do that. You're going to make some real money. Also, want you to get over to StockMarketMentor.com. That's my website. You can sign up for my free chart of the day. Just get on the email list. Once a night, I'll send you out a chart video. It's usually 4 or 5 minutes long with a lesson and a trade in there. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow. This market is
Stock pickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to